right, question 28. The graph of the linear function f is shown in the xy plane above. The slope of the graph of the linear function g is 4 times the slope of the graph f. If the graph of g passes through the point 0, comma, -4, what is the value of g of 9? Okay, so they told us that the function g has a slope that's 4 times compared to the slope of f, and the f is the one that's given on the graph. So what we could do is we can solve for the slope of the line g first. Okay, so first, but if you do that, we have to first figure out what's the slope for line f. Right, the function on the graph, you look at the graph here, the slope is rise over run. So you can pick 2 points on the line. Right, preferably you want to pick the point that are on the grid. So we can just pick these 2 points and we can just kind of count it from the graph. You see to go from the left point on the left to the point on the right, we have to go up 1 over 2. Okay, so it's up 1 over 2. So slope for this line is 1/2. Okay, we go up 1 over 2. Then for the function g, the slope is 4 times that. Okay, so for g, function g, the slope is 4 times 1/2. Right? Okay, it will be 4 times 1/2, which is 4 over 2. That should be just 2. Okay, so pretty much we know the slope now for this function g should be 2. And then, so you're gonna write out the function or the equation of y equal to mx plus b, right, following the linear equation form, right? So the slope is 2, we can just plug it in here, right? So it'll be y equal to 2x plus b, okay? B is a y-intercept, right? Do we have the y-intercept for the g function? Well, we actually do, right? Because they said the graph of g passes through the point 0, comma, -4. And 0, comma, -4, that's right on the y-axis, because x value is 0, y is -4. So it's actually the y-intercept. Okay, so they're telling us the y-intercept as a point, it will be 0, comma, -4. Okay, so then the b value, if you plug in the equation, it'll be 2x minus 4. So b value is just -4, so that's the y-intercept. All right, so pretty much we have the equation for the g function. So we're looking for g of 9. So we can rewrite this as a function will be g of x equal to 2x minus 4. It's the same meaning. What we have to do here is we have to solve for g of 9. This will be, we have to plug in 9 into the function and solve for the y value pretty much. Okay, so you plug in 9 for x, it'll be 2 times 9 minus 4. And that's equal to what? 2 times 9 is 18. 18 minus 4 should be 14. And that should be our final answer, which is letter C for this question here.